You the bag of stuff, and you take out and put in like you like it.
Good, yeah. You'll have extra left over.
You'll have extra left over. We got all kinds of.
Okay, I come over and just step on my machine. Okay.
Betty loves hers, and I do mine too. I've always had a problem with pillows. I'm like Charles. It's just, it's hard to get them to sleep. But this is the best one for me. It may not be perfect, but it's the best one I've had.
I thought that dude, Mike, or what is he? He's the one, Mike, that sells pellets. I thought he was the number one. Says they are the number one.
Yeah, cookies, yeah.
Yeah.
Consumer Report backed it up with their testing.
What'd you say, Mexican? I didn't eat, but that's full.
Does anyone not want cheese? Does anybody care? Nobody cares? We're going to put cheese on all of them.
Yeah,
Okay.
sounds good. I just eat sausage.
Is the pellet real tall if you put it in there, or is the pellet short?
Every which way you
You can have it short and firm.
Short.